Hey y'all, today I'm trying Eco Gel for the first time on my short 4C texturized hair. Slick sides with curls in the middle. Let's see how this goes.
Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Brigy and I share realistic hair care and styling short 4C texturized hair. Today I'm doing slick side using evergreen curly hair cream to define in the middle, and this is my first time using Eco Gel with olive oil to slick on the side. So I'm going slow because it's my first time. So without losing time, let's get started. You're welcome. This is a quick tip. Eco Gel does well on the damp hair, not dry, and this is how you avoid flakes and stiffness. So I'm going to spray some water lightly on my hair. Yeah, as you can see, my hair is yeah. Let's get started by applying cream just in the middle. To define the curves using my fingertips. Coily cream. The curves are coming out. I'm going to apply the Eco Gel to slick on the sides. Oh, yeah, sure. Here we go, like that. Let's try. I hope it goes well like that. I hope it works well on me. Yeah. Yeah, I'm using small amount because the little goes a long way. Look at that. Let me try using this comb. Let me scratch a little bit the curves. Now I'm going to use a toothbrush to slick this hair. Yeah. For the first time using Eco Gel, I like it. The sides are laid down without crunchy, and the curves in the middle are popping. Look at that. If you have 4C short texturized hair and you've been scared of trying Eco Gel, this is your sign. Yeah. If this video has helped you in any way, please don't forget to give it like, subscribe, comment below, and share with your friends. See you in the next one. Bye bye for now.